Hello, our viewers of our channel, Rotowone Enterprises Limited Farm, located in Matuga, Jokolela Village along Bombo Road. We are local chicken farmers and breeders. We have machines that breed these birds, and we are doing very well. In today's video, we are going to talk about why we choose local birds and our journey of poultry, where we began from and where we are now. When we started doing poultry farming, we started with broilers, these white birds for meat production. And we started with 200, 300, 400, even reached the time when we were raising 1,000 birds until 5 weeks, 6 weeks to 8 weeks. So we got some money from these birds, but our experience was that these birds, they were not resistant to diseases. Secondly, the profit element was small. The profit margin was very small. You used to raise like 1,000 birds. Then a trader comes, picks 300. After 1 week, he comes back, he picks another 300 at the same price. So you could find that the profits that you are getting, you just impact them back to feed these birds. So we saw that we could not manage it. So we reduced it to a small extent. We went for layer birds. Layer birds were doing very well at our farm. These layer birds reached the time. I remember layer birds first impacting money for almost 5 months without getting anything, which is not the case with local birds. For local birds, when you inject in money, like for 3.5 to 4 months, you can sell off cocks and you get some money, which you can use to inject in hens, then so that they can lay properly. But for layers, for them, you just inject in money because all of them are what? Are hens. So you used to inject in money until like 5 months. So they started laying properly. When they reached 9 months there, they got Newcastle IB. Remember, they were laying at 85%. So we had to treat the Newcastle. Even they reached the time when they're laying at 1%. So we had to treat the Newcastle, manage it properly. Then they were cured. After curing, they refused to go back to their laying percentage, 85%. They remained on 60%. So we gave them vitamins, we made a lot of consultations. They refused to go back to 85%. So we got an advice from one of our doctors from the company we sourced these layers, and she told us we should sell off all these birds and then go back and book other birds. So we decided not to go back. We decided to sell them off and look for the birds that we can only stock once and use those same birds to generate other generations. So we decided to go for Kroilers. Kroilers were doing very well. We used to sell 1 month, you sell the cokes. But these Kroilers, sometimes the market goes down, sometimes the market goes up. Today the chick is at 800. Another time, find these mature birds you're selling them at 20,000 when they're almost five months. And the more you hatch, the more you breed them, the more they lose their quality. You may find that the birds which you used to grow by 3.5 months, now they're going by 5 months. They used to lay at 70%, now they're laying at 40%. So the quality of the breed used to go down. When we were still in Kroilers, one of our people told us there's a farmer in Seta is doing local chicken farming. By local chicken farming on a small scale, he has birds in the compound yard, he treats them, he vaccinates them, he gives them good quality feeds. So we had to go and visit this farmer. When we went to visit this farmer, we found out he's treating them, he's vaccinating them, giving them commercial feeds, and they're doing very well, even more than the Kroilers. We found out that even he's getting a lot of money. He has very many branches. He has the day old, he has the 1 month, he has the 2 weeks, he has the 1 month, 2 months, he has the parental stock. He had very many branches on his farm and he was doing very well. He was selling a tray the tray of eggs at 30, from 20 to 30,000. So he was doing a very good job at his farm. So we had to get some of these birds and also get other birds from other farmers and other regions, combine them, treat them, feed them, and get a good parental stock. So we started giving to other farmers, selling 1 month, selling mature birds, selling local eggs. We found out that even these products were unique and they were expensive in the market, and they were fetching a lot of profits. So local chicken, why do we go for local chicken? They were disease resistant more than other breeds. They were easier to feed. They used to eat other things like the Russian comfrey. They used to eat leftovers. They used to feed on very many things, which the Kroilers and others were not doing it very well. They were unique business, very new in the market. So people were eager to see such a project. The products were expensive in the market, fetching good income. For example, the eggs are sold at 20,000 and above, wholesale price 18,000. Once they are fertilized, they fetch a lot of incomes. So we saw that there's a lot of profits in local chicken farming than other breeds. So we started growing slowly by slowly, giving out chicks to very many farmers. We got very many farmers. We got other clients buying mature birds, other clients buying eggs. Which time when we were having very many farmers that want to hatch their chicks by themselves. So we decided to buy an incubator, a stock hatchery, so that we could hatch our own chicks, give to farmers, and also help those farmers that have eggs for hatching. So we started hatching, we started growing, and right now we decided, since now the incubator is not enough, we decided to purchase. We're now planning to purchase another incubator. We are already building another room, an hatchery room. So we already ordered for another incubator. It's coming within few weeks from now, because now we're having very many farmers that have entered this project, and even others that are in other breeds that would wish to have the hatchery services. We are also providing them at our farm. It is the local chicken farming has done a lot at our farm. Because of the high profit margins in this project, that we are able to enlarge and expand our farm to do other issues. We have gained a lot from local chicken farming, and we are one of the people that are advising others to join the local chicken farming. Even if you're in other breeds like the layers, the Broilers, we're advising you to get a section and start local chicken farming. Even if you're in cattle rearing, you're in goat rearing, you're in sheep rearing, and other things, please get a section, get somewhere and start local chicken farming, because local chicken farming is a highly lucrative business. If you get the right knowledge, if you get enough knowledge, if you get the right mentor, you will do a lot of amazing things in local chicken farming because of the high profit margins. Thank you very much. Thank you for liking us. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please continue viewing our videos. Our returning viewers, we don't take it for granted. Our new viewers, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot for you. Press the like button, share our videos to others, hit the notification bell. When you hit that notification bell, when we upload the video, you'll be one of the first people to watch our videos. You'll get that notification that Rotoone Enterprise Limited has uploaded a new video. So you'll be one of the first people to get that notification alert. Thank you very much. May God bless you.